Imagine you're standing outside, scrolling TikTok, when suddenly, bam! The Earth stops spinning. Not forever, just for one single minute. What happens next? Do we all fly off into space? Do oceans come crashing across continents? Or is it just a weird minute of silence before everything goes back to normal? Let's find out. Right now, Earth is spinning really, really fast. At the equator, it's about 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it because everything around you, your house, the oceans, even the air, is moving along with the planet. It's like being in a car going 70 on the highway. As long as the ride is smooth, you don't feel the speed. But if that car stopped instantly, you'd feel it. Hard. So, if Earth suddenly slammed the brakes for 1 minute, we need to ask, what happens to all the stuff that isn't bolted down? First, you. If you're standing at the equator, your body is currently moving east at 1,000 miles per hour. If Earth suddenly stops, your feet stop with the ground. But the rest of you? Yeah, you keep going. Basically, everything becomes a supersonic projectile. People, cars, buildings, trees, it's all sliding, tumbling, or outright flying at hurricane to jet speeds. Second, the oceans. Water also doesn't like sudden stops. If the Earth freezes in place, the oceans keep rushing eastward. Imagine every coastline getting hit with walls of water hundreds of feet tall. Inland cities, they'd be swallowed. For 1 minute, the Earth basically experiences the biggest tsunami in history, on every shore at once. Third, the atmosphere. Air doesn't stop either. The atmosphere would keep roaring at 1,000 miles per hour relative to the ground. That's like the entire planet getting hit with non-stop tornadoes, but 1,000 times faster. Most buildings would shred instantly. And forget planes. They'd be ripped apart like paper. Now, the good news, sort of, is that it only lasts 1 minute. After 60 seconds, the Earth starts spinning again, and everything technically goes back to normal. But by that point, continents would look like someone put them in a blender. But here's the twist. If you're standing at the poles, almost nothing happens. Why? Because at the North and South Pole, Earth's spin speed is basically zero. No violent wind, no flying buildings, no ocean tsunamis. So if you ever find yourself in this nightmare scenario, get to the poles. They're the safest spot. Well, except for the whole freezing to death part. So, 1 minute of Earth not spinning would wreck most of the planet. Skyscrapers? Gone. Coastlines? Flooded. Civilization? Probably set back by centuries. And when the spin resumes, the survivors would be left on a world that looks like an apocalyptic version of itself. But the real takeaway is this. We don't notice it, but our planet's smooth, steady rotation is one of the biggest reasons life can exist comfortably. Earth's spin is like the world's most reliable fidget spinner. Don't ever let it stop. So now I'll throw it back to you. If you had exactly 1 minute to do anything while Earth's spin was frozen, what would you try? Jump a mile? Throw a baseball into orbit? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trip into planetary disaster, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because next time we're asking another big what if.